Okay. So these trades were taken on January 16th. The first one was taken very early in the morning, around 1 a.m. right before I went to sleep. So trade was taken on the euro dollar. Euro dollar had been pushing up and had kind of gotten into this channel. Not this one, it's a different channel. It kind of gotten into first this channel, right? Then after breaking out of that channel, had pushed down. Now, I was anticipating another move upwards, but I entered on this candle. Yep, entered on this candle. I believe about halfway. I think like actually entered on the 5-minute time frame. So I did. Entered on this candle about halfway through this candle-ish. Then set my stop, but I set my stop very close, just around these levels, or just outside of these levels, something like that. Yeah, it was because I used these as kind of to gauge my stop a little bit. It was a 720 risk reward. I think I was looking for price to push up to around these levels. So my general view of the market was correct, but price went down to take out my stop loss before moving up to smash through my take profit on pretty much a breakthrough move through the night. Yep. So that was cool. So long story short, the overall trade idea was good, but I should have been a little bit more lenient with my stop. I was really anticipating these levels to hold very strongly, even though there's also like a semi but weaker level in the middle here. I didn't expect that level to really reoccur here because this is a stronger level. This is a stronger level. If anything, I would actually have expected price to come all the way down here, right, before making that push back up. But anyway, just because of minor technical details, took the L there, and this was in the morning, well, very early in the morning. And then this next trade was actually my first positive trade on the Aussie dollar. So this was straight up just in the morning at around 11 a.m. I had been watching the market, I believe around here. I had initially been anticipating price to push down, or at least some kind of rejection along these levels, and then price to push down probably about halfway through to about here. But that never really occurred. I almost got in here, but I didn't. So that never really occurred, and price just kind of kept going up. Why is this like? This is not what it should have been. No idea why it's set like that. But anyway, yeah. So price just kind of kept going up, and then I also did notice that it was in a bit of a channel here. So when it hit the channel, I noticed this very long. Is here? Okay. I noticed this very long candle, right? That's literally price rejection off of it. So I entered after this green one, I entered a sell position here, set my stop just outside of this candle, and my take profit, since price was still going, the general momentum was up, right? It's trending upwards, right? As we can see in this little channel. I didn't want to take profits all the way down here, these levels, just because it's highly unlikely. So I was pretty much looking to take profits at kind of where price had last where price had last had some rejection. So that's where I was looking for some support, and that's where I intended to take my profit. Ironically, the market, it was MLK, so the market closed at 1300 to around 1 p.m. apparently, at least for the futures. On S5 trading futures, obviously this market kept going. So the market closed me out like around here or something, and I'm not sure if I had stayed in the trade if this would have stopped me out. But when the market reopened at about 1600, right? Yeah, 46. So around here, 1600. So about 6 p.m. Market was pretty much just pushing in my favor, and eventually it actually did hit what would have been my take profit, and that would have netted me a 10 a 10 tick gain, but I was kind of a little bit of a pussy, and once I saw the market in this zone, I kind of reasoned, hey, you know what? It's very close already. I think this is where I kind of closed the trade out. It's pretty close, this could be the sign of a rejection and it kind of spiking up. So I pretty much, not here, not there, but here. So specifically, not even on this candle. Was it here? Here. Anyway, long story short, I ended up then closing the trade manually for 5 ticks. Though if I had let it run, I would have gained 10. Okay, trade. Main thing here is not letting it just kind of go all the way to completion. Oh, and then of course halfway through, I set my take profit. Or I'm sorry, I when the market had opened and price had gone for me around 5 ticks, I moved my stop loss to break even, which is important. I need to start doing that more often. When prices push significantly in my favor, just move it to break even. That way, there's no way I can take a real L on the trade. Yep, that's it.